For our next problem, let's read. Sophie bought 5 bangles at $4.75 each. She gave the cashier $30. How much change did she receive? To answer this given problem, again, let's use the 4-step problem-solving method. First things first. What are the information that we gathered from the story? How many bangles did Sophie buy? She bought 5 bangles. Each bangle cost how much? $4.75 each. What does $30 stand for? This is the amount of money that she paid for the items that she bought. How do I imagine this problem? How do we solve it? What kind of strategy would be best for us to use to solve the given problem? So let's try to imagine 5 bangles in our head. Let's draw it out using the bar model. So 5 bangles would be like 5 units, and each unit is $4.75. The next information that I have in the story is $30. $30 is the amount of money that she paid. What is she actually paying for? She's paying for the cost of 5 bangles. Do we actually know how much is 5 bangles? The story did not state. So at first, we need to find out how much is the cost of 5 bangles. So this is our letter A. For step 3, what do we need to find in the story? The story is asking how much change did she receive. She gave the cashier $30, and we need to find out first the total cost of 5 bangles, and then after that we are going to subtract to get the change. So let's first look for letter A. So how are you going to do that? We multiply $4.75 by 5, since you have there 5 units. Try getting the answer using your maths journal. By this time, you should be getting a total amount of $23.75. Can we already get the change for the items that she paid for? Yes. So we take away $23.75 from 30 cents. So 30 minus $23.75. Now notice that the given values that we are subtracting doesn't have the same decimal places. So you have to be careful with your working. Your working should at least show 30 with 2 decimal places minus 23.75. Try it out in your journal. By this time, you should be getting an answer of $6.75. So to answer the given question, how much change did she receive? For our statement, we could say she received a change of $6.75. Now notice that we are working on a 2-step road problem. This example is also found in your pupil's textbook, which is on page 124. You may try to check on it and work it out. For our last item, let's read. The mass of a bag of red beans was 1.2 kilograms. The mass of a bag of kidney beans was 0.85 kilograms. What was the total mass of 4 such bags of red beans and 1 bag of kidney beans? Again, let's try to use the 4-step problem-solving method to help us in answering the problem. In this problem, what are the important informations that we were able to gather? I am thinking that in your mind, you have there 1.2 kilograms. What is this about? 1.2 kilogram is the mass of a bag of red beans. I'm also guessing that in your mind you have 0.85 kilograms. I'm very confident that you know for sure that 0.85 kilograms pertains to the mass of a bag of kidney beans. So we have in here two different kinds of beans, the red beans and the kidney beans. I can also spot, and definitely you also did, you also saw the numbers 4 and 1. What are these about? 4 pertains to the bags of red beans and 1 pertains to the bag of kidney beans. Let's proceed to step 2. How do we solve this problem? For this lesson, we are focusing on the use of bar models. Let's represent the given word problem with all the information that we have. Let's draw 1.2 kilograms. This shows the mass of a bag of red beans. So, do not forget to label your bar 1.2. I would also be drawing 0.85 kilograms, which is for the bag of kidney beans. 0.85 is less than 1.2, so I would want to draw a smaller one. I would have it separated so I can see the difference between the two. Let's label 0.85. Now I noticed that we are looking for the answer to the question, what was the total mass of 4 such bags of red beans? So that means that I would need to repeat the unit for 1.2 4 times. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4 units. On the other hand, since we only have 1 bag of kidney beans, we won't need to repeat the unit for 0.85. So step 3. What do we need to find for in the given word problem? We're looking for the total mass of 4 such bags of red beans and 1 bag of kidney beans. So we need to put together all of the units. What should our number sentence be? So first we need to find out the total of 4 units. You would have to multiply. For your 4 units, you will have to multiply 1.2 by 4. I want you to try this out in your maths journal. By this time, you will be getting 4.08. I mean 4.8. 4.8 pertains to 4 bags of red beans. Since we need to get the total of the red beans, the bags of red beans, and the kidney beans, we would be adding 4.8 with 0.85. Try this out in your maths journal. So adding up all the values that we have, you should be getting the answer 5.65. So for our statement, we have the total mass of 4 such bags of red beans and 1 bag of kidney beans was 5.65 kilograms. For your next task, I want you to work on your textbook page 126 to 127.